we just saw the indefinite articles a and an. Next, we are going to see the definite article the. Why do we call this as a definite article? Because the first usage itself talks about the way in which it is used. That is, when we talk about a particular person or a particular thing which has already been mentioned, then we use the definite article the. Okay, let's see the usage now. Used before a particular person or thing already mentioned. Used before a particular person or thing already mentioned. For example, the book that I returned is good. The book that I returned is good. That means he has already spoken about the book. It is a book I returned. He's already taken the book from him and now he has returned it. So it is good. Already mentioned. Next one. The girl who lives the girl whom I spoke about is very smart. The girl whom I spoke about is very smart. That is, he has already spoken about that girl and now he is mentioning again. Okay, so the girl whom I spoke about is very smart. One more example I can say. The river from where we get water is dry. The river from where we get water is dry. So here again, we already know about the river. It may be the Kaveri, the Krishna, the Godavari, the Ganges, some river which we have already spoken about, it has become dry. So something which is already mentioned, if we speak again, then it becomes, we pick up the definite article the. This is the definite article. Definite article the. Okay, the next one. This is used before a particular person or thing already mentioned. When we talk about unique things used before That is, example, the sun. Are there many suns? No, S-U-N, sun. There's only one sun. It is a unique thing. The moon. The moon that we see every night, the moon that rises every night is called the moon. But when we talk about there are different moons around the planets, then you can say they spotted a moon. That's a different thing. But the moon, the thing that we see every night in the sky is the moon, and daytime is the sun. The earth. There is only one earth, and it's always used with THE, the, and it is one of the unique things. Okay, the earth. Then we can also say the planets. So before unique things, we use the definite article the. Used before plurals. Plural nouns. Okay. Here I have already told you a and an are used before singular nouns, and I have already given the usage of a separately and an separately. Now, a boy we say, but when we say more than one boy, we say the boys. So, used before plurals. The boys, the pens, the birds, the cats. It is more than one, we use the plural the. For more than one, that is when there are plurals, we use the. Okay, we use before plurals. The boys, the pens, the birds, the cats. Shall we check it up now? Used before a particular person or thing already mentioned. Okay, somebody, when we have spoken about a person or a thing, and then we talk about it again, we use the definite article the. The book that I returned is very good. Okay, you've already taken the book from him and now you're returning it. So you have already been accustomed to that book. So it is something which has already been mentioned. So you use the definite article the. The book that I returned is good. The girl whom I spoke about is very smart. The person, that is the person or the girl whom I spoke about, that is already he has spoken about that girl. And now again he is mentioning about that girl whom he had already spoken, that she is very smart. So again we use the definite article the. Next one, the river from where we get water is dry. The river which we already know from where we get water, which is already mentioned or which is already known to us, that particular river is dry. Okay, so we have already spoken about the river, or we already know the river from where we get water to drink, and that is dry. So we use the definite article the. Next, used before unique things. Unique means something not very common. Like for example, if we say girl, book and river and all, these are all very common things. But something unique, the sun. There is only one sun. Moon. There is only one moon that we see every night. The earth. the planet on which we live, and the planets. We call mean the Mars, Venus, all these are planets. So the planets. These are all unique things, and we use the definite article the. Then it is used before plural nouns, all plural nouns in general. The boys, the pens. If there is only one pen, we say a pen. If there is only one bird, we say a bird. If there is only one cat, we say a cat. Whereas when there are plurals, that is more than one, we say the boys, the cats, etc. Even the eggs. Even for vowel sounding words, the umbrellas. Okay? Whether it is consonant sounding words or whether it's vowel sounding words, we use the before all plurals. Now quickly we'll go through it. There are many more usages. This is just the 3 that I've given. We have nearly 8 to 10 usages for the definite article the. We'll just see this and go on for the next. Used before a particular person or thing already mentioned. The book that I returned is good. The girl whom I spoke about is very smart. And the river from where we get water is dry. So something which we have already spoken about or already mentioned, we use the. Then it's used before unique things, the sun, the moon, the earth, the planets. Before unique things, we use the definite article the. And it is used before plural nouns, all plural nouns, whether they start with consonant sound or vowel sound, we use only the. A boy, the boys. A pen, the pens. A bird, the birds. A cat, the cats. An egg, before vowel sound, an egg, the eggs. An umbrella, the umbrellas. Okay, so bear this in mind. We are going on to the 4th, 5th and 6th points now. We are just going to see the other usages of the definite article the. We have already seen 3 and we are going to see the 4th and the 5th one. 4th one I have written here already for you, used before rivers and oceans. What is an ocean? A larger sea is an ocean. Okay. Now let's see the examples I have given here. The Ganges. What is Ganges? It's a name of a particular name of a river. The Ganges. The Brahmaputra. These 2 are names of rivers. Can you name any more rivers? The Kaveri, the Krishna. All these are names of particular names of rivers. So we always use the before the names of rivers and also oceans and seas. See here the Arabian Sea, the Indian Ocean, and we can also see the Atlantic Ocean, the Arabian Sea, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Bay of Bengal. Okay, all these are seas and we use the before it. Now, if you did notice, there is a difference in my pronunciation of THE, the. We say the, we pronounce THE as the before all consonant sounding words. For example, the Ganges, the Brahmaputra and the Arabian Sea and the Indian Ocean. Okay, the Ganges, the Brahmaputra, but the Arabian Sea and the Indian Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Pacific Ocean. Okay, so there is a difference in the pronunciation of the. The, it's pronounced as the in front of consonant sounding words and the in front of vowel sounding words. Used before states and islands. Before states and islands, we use the. Anywhere you have a consonant sounding word, you pronounce it as the, and before vowel sounding word, you pronounce it as the. The Kerala government, the Tamil Nadu Assembly, the Delhi High Court, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Here we pronounce it as the Java Islands. So before all states and islands, we use the word the definite article. The next usage is used before all religious books. Religious or sacred books, we can say. Okay, I'll just write it as sacred books. Let's not use this word. I'll say sacred. For example, we say the Ramayana. We don't say a Ramayana, the Ramayana. The Bible. The Quran. The Bhagavad Gita. The Ramayana, the Bible, the Quran, the Bhagavad Gita. Okay, so we always use the before all sacred books. Okay, next one, used before cardinals. Okay, used before superlatives. Next, we'll go on to the ordinals and cardinals. Used before superlatives. What is a superlative? When we have the degrees of comparison in adjectives, we say he is a tall boy. The other one is taller than him, and A is a tall boy, B is taller than A, and C is the tallest boy in the class. So we have three different degrees of comparison, and for the superlative is the highest point. Before superlatives, we always use the. For example, we say this classroom is a big classroom. It is bigger than the other classrooms. But we say this is the biggest room I have ever taught. Okay? When we use the superlatives, we always use the. Okay? So if I say the tallest, the biggest, the most beautiful, the farthest. Now for good, what are the superlative degrees? Good, better, best. So the best, we can use the definite article the. That is, for all superlatives, we use the definite article the. The best, the tallest, the kindest person, the longest river. Which is the longest river in the world? The river Nile. Longest river. Okay, the longest. Then the shortest. The most beautiful. The most beautiful. I hope you've understood. We have some more to go. Now we'll just have a recap of all that you have done here and we'll go on to the rest. So the definite article the is also used before rivers and oceans. The Ganges, the Brahmaputra, the Arabian Sea, the Indian Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean. Okay, next one. Used before states and islands. The Kerala government, the Tamil Nadu Assembly, the Delhi High Court. These are all before states. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands, the Java Islands. These are all islands. So we use the before islands also. Next usage is, it is used before all sacred books, any religion. The Ramayana, the Bible, the Quran, the Bhagavad Gita. So any sacred book we use only the. We do not say she is reading a Bible. She is reading the Bible. Sita has a habit of reading the Bhagavad Gita, not a Bhagavad Gita. Okay. Next usage, used before superlatives. The best, the tallest, the kindest, the longest, the shortest, the most beautiful. Okay, I hope you've understood all the 7 that we have done so far. We'll move on to the next 3 or 4 that we are going to study about the definite article the. We just saw around 7 uses of the definite article the. Now we're going to have some more uses and let's go ahead. Used before cardinals. Okay, used before cardinals. Now when we say a boy or a girl is the first in the class, the second, she is the second ranking student, we use the definite article the. Okay, so we use the before cardinals, we use the definite article the. Example, the first girl, or the 27th rank, or the 3rd rank, the 3rd student. Okay, if you see for cardinals, that is first, second, third, and 27th, all this we use the definite article the. the. Okay, it is used before cardinals. Then the next usage is used before one of a kind. Used before one of a kind. If you say the dog is a faithful animal, the dog. Dog, we usually talk about the common noun dog, but the dog means it's not, here it's not used as a definite article, but one of a kind. That is, all dogs are faithful animals. We talk about the whole class of dogs. Okay, the dog is a faithful animal. Example. The dog is a faithful animal. Here dog denotes, I told you, the class of dogs, that is the whole kind. Okay, used before a kind means the whole lot of dogs. For example, another example, the cow is a useful animal. Here again we use the cow is a useful animal. The parrot is a friendly bird. Again, we use the for the whole class of parrots. So, we have used it for the cow, the dog and the parrot. Okay, that is one of a kind. Used before one of a kind, we use only the definite article the. Next one, used before mountains. Mountain ranges and gulfs. Before mountain ranges, we don't say a Himalayas. We always say the Himalayas. So, the definite article the is used before mountain ranges. The Himalayas, the Alps and also after gulfs. That is the Gulf of Mannar, the Gulf of Kutch and all that. Okay. So, I will write down the examples here. The Himalayas, the Alps, the Gulf of Mannar, the Gulf of Kutch. Okay, we have seen 3 usages so far. Before cardinals, it's the first girl, the 27th rank, the third student and so on. The next usage is used before one of a kind. The dog is a faithful animal, the cow is a useful animal, the parrot is a friendly bird. Here again, it talks about the whole class of dogs, the whole class of cows and the whole class of parrots. Okay, then the next usage is, it is used before mountain ranges and gulfs. That is the Himalayas, the Alps. Again, before vowel sounding word, we pronounce it as the, and before consonant sounding words, we pronounce it as the. The Gulf of Mannar and the Gulf of Kutch. So these are the different uses. Okay. Also before communities, used before communities. For example, you say the Gujaratis, the Bengalis, the Marathis. You don't say, that is when we talk about communities, we call them together. That is, the Marathis are very brave women. The Marathi women are very brave. The Bengalis like fish. So when we talk about communities, again, we use the. Okay, the definite article, the. The Marathis, the Gujaratis, the Bengalis. The Brahmins. Okay, we've seen altogether 11 uses of the definite article the. Already I've discussed with you 7, and now we have seen 4 more. Quickly we'll have a run through. Used before cardinals, the first girl, the 27th rank, the third student, and so on. And used before one of a kind. The dog is a faithful animal, the cow is a useful animal, the parrot is a friendly bird. Talks about the whole class of dogs or cows or parrots. Next, used before mountain ranges and gulfs. The Himalayas, the Alps, the Gulf of Mannar, and the Gulf of Kutch. Okay? And last but not the least, we have the communities. Used before communities, we say the Marathis, the Gujaratis, the Bengalis, and the Brahmins. Okay, I'm sure you have just understood the different uses of the definite article the, before which we saw the indefinite article a and the and how it is used, how it's pronounced, everything. So you have to be thorough with this before we go ahead with other grammatical categories. Be thorough with the articles first. Okay, we'll go on to the next topic.